Pathshala with the Pathshala NHD. So today Pathshala writes, let's open our computer book of class 5. Well, this is the first day of learning computer for you. We have discussed about computer in the prior classes, but today according to the chapter, आज chapter से हम लोग first time हमारा पढ़ेंगे and let's open the first chapter of the computer book of yours. The first chapter is versatility of computer. This is the first chapter. Let's discuss that what are the main topics that we'll cover in this chapter. We'll know the features of computer. Also, we'll know the different applications of computer. Okay. You already know what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. You can find it anywhere, at your home, at a school, at workplaces, and many more. So, in our most of the daily routines, we involve computer, right? But today, let's know the features of computer. That all the things we have discussed in the prior classes. But आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि features of computer कौन-कौन से हैं. Speed. The first is the speed. A computer works very fast. The computer's speed is so fast. And it has a very high speed, right? You know that the calculations that we do, it takes hours and hours and hours, but the calculation that done by the computers, it does it quickly. So the computer has a very high speed. The second is accuracy. A computer is an accurate machine, means it can perform calculations without making any of the mistakes. Means कोई सी भी गलती किए बिना कंप्यूटर का जो accuracy होता है वो कंप्यूटर एक बहुत ही एक्यूरेट मशीन है. उसमें कोई सी भी गलती वो नहीं कर सकता है. हम गलती कर सकते हैं, बट कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट डू दैट फॉल्ट. द थर्ड इज वर्सटिलिटी. वर्सटिलिटी मीन्स अ मल्टी प्रोसेसिंग फीचर ऑफ कंप्यूटर. अ कंप्यूटर इज अ मल्टी प्रोसेसिंग फीचर एंड एक बार में बहुत सारे टास्क कैन परफॉर्म इट. द फोर्थ इज स्टोरेज. द कंप्यूटर हैज अ वेरी हाई एंड अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी. ओके. And where it stores the place where it stores is called its memory. We also store it in memory. And where we do store our clothes? In the almirah. Where we store the food? Where the mama hides the food? In the refrigerator. Very good. So computer has a very huge amount of storage capacity. Now comes the diligence. Diligence does not mean to get tired walking for a long periods of time, but the computer performs as per our requirement with the same speed and accuracy. Means it can work for hours and hours. It does not get tired. Like we can get the reliability. Reliability means the output given by the computer has computer is a reliable machine. Means it does not give the wrong answers. It's a very accurate machine and it's a very reliable machine. Now different applications of computer means the computer is being used in all the day-to-day life, and there are the different places where computers are being used. At home, in schools, for medical purpose, you already know, films and televisions, in banking, in offices, in libraries, in shops and hotels, in technology and in the science department, and also for designing. So let's understand the first one is at home. At home you use the computer to listen to music, to play games, to watch movies, to draw something or for the various purpose. घर पे हम कंप्यूटर यूज करते हैं. The second is in schools. Computers are used to teach different subjects. You already know you are being taught by the computer at schools. And also for medical purpose. Medical purpose में भी कंप्यूटर का यूज होता है for different all the doing, like to just computers are used to maintain the medical records also. Films and televisions, okay, means in the field of entertainment like the movies, the computers are being used. Computers are used in banking, means it's very helpful in banking because it operates the ATM and provide the internet banking facilities. Also it keeps the records of the accountant and the accountants departments, and it can perform the various checks of the it can verify the various checks of the customers. In offices, computers are used to create and to keep the records of the office documents, maintain the employees, personnel and all the different types of records. In libraries, computers are used also in the shops and the hotels. In science and technology, the computers are used and also for the design. are your exercises of the chapter. Question number A MCQs हैं, आपको solve करना है. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask to us. Then you have true and false question number B, and question number C is your fill in the blanks. Question number D is a question answer. आपको find out करना है question answer and आपको copy में उसको note down करना है. अब आप copy में कैसे करोगे? Copy में आप date डालोगे. You will put the chapter's name. You will put the name of the chapter, the number of the chapter, and then you will write the concept map. You know how to make a concept map if you have the book. Just do it. Concept map बनाने के बाद you will just write question number B and question number C in your notebook. इसको complete करना है, book में करना है, ये साथ में copy में भी करना है. And then question number D, write the answers of the following questions in your notebook. और इसको आपको question number B, C, D book में भी करना है and copy में भी करना है. Okay, you have to do it. And yes, this is a chapter for you. I hope you understand. Share your homeworks with us. Don't forget it. And this was the lesson for you. All the best. Keep learning. Stay tuned with us. And thank you.
Meet the पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला, meet the पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला.